Good morning, Cardano family. It's Satoshi Boomin coming at you with yet another video. Guys, we got so much to cover today. I got my hot tea and honey latte ready to go. Let's get this show started, guys. So we're talking about Cardano. Over 60 decentralized finance projects are preparing to launch on Cardano, guys. We've got quite a few. Just off the top of my head, Muesli Swap, Sunday Swap, Meow Swap. We've got a few on Cardano, and now we have more coming. All right, guys, we're just getting started. All right, I know a lot of people have lost heart due to the price. Guys, don't worry about the price. The price is gonna price, if that makes any sense. It's about what Cardano is doing, and they're doing a lot. So, according to Built on Cardano, love that website. Go ahead and check it out. The number of decentralized finance projects being built on Cardano has surged tremendously. This is amazing. Cardano network is being considered by developers ahead of rival blockchains such as Ethereum and Solana. Some of the blockchain projects are Marlowe, can't wait for that to happen. The Cardano DeFi Alliance, a consortium of DeFi projects with the goal of standardizing Plutus and Cardano best practices within the DeFi world, creating standardizations. That's what DeFi mostly needs. Empower, we talked about that on this channel. Theos, have not talked about that, but that is a decentralized NFT based economy utilizing the intrinsic properties of NFTs to provide instant valuations and transform them into instant liquidity. Sounds interesting. And then Kick.io, which we've talked about a lot on this channel, that is a launchpad service. We've got 26 dexes being built on Cardano. Some include Ada Finance, Ray Network, can't wait for that to drop, Occamfi, Yay Swap, Cardax, Matrix Swap, Meow Swap, Sunday Swap, to name a few. Sunday Swap became the second. It wasn't the first. It was the second. Decentralized exchange to fully launch on Cardano, supporting smart contract functionality. Muesli Swap was the first. That's a mistake, but that's okay. That's okay. And soon we have 6 decentralized. Well, now we have 6 live decentralized Cardano projects. 8x Pro, you guys know how I feel about 8x Pro. Muesli Swap, Wi-Fi, Meld, and MinSwap. So the ecosystem is continuing to grow, guys. Total value locked over 120 million. Keep growing. And you guys have to understand, Cardano literally, smart contracts literally just came out like 4 or 5 months ago. All right, so let's focus on the future. That's all I gotta say. Moving on. Thank you so much to Onecom for sponsoring this video, guys. Shout out to Onecom. Small stake pool operators, guys, you know the drill, you know the message. Support small stake pool operators, support Onecom. Follow them on Twitter, guys. 0% fees until at least the end of 2022 for all existing and new delegators, guys. We love Onecom. Let's keep chopping wood. They produce blocks each and every epoch. Onecom, guys, delegate to them. Moving on. Cardano Yoda posts, if you have any concerns about the price of ADA coins going down, everything is following because of the negative geopolitical situation. All the important Cardano fundamentals are rising. In the long run, everything is on track indeed, sir. Look at this. Over 75 million total value locked. Over 29 million transactions, 3.1 million native tokens minted on the Cardano blockchain. Plutus scripts going up. Delegated wallets up 11% to 1.1 million. Stake pools up 3,000 stake pools. We've got almost 3 million wallets. All right, 70% of the Cardano blockchain is delegated. So all the metrics point that Cardano is growing each and every day. And we're just going to keep chopping wood, guys. That's it. All right? We're not going to listen to FUD. We're not going to listen to the negative sentiment, at least not me on this channel. All right? You guys could go to other YouTube channels that'll just tell you everything you want to hear. But here, we're telling the truth, and Cardano is the truth. I'm going to keep stacking, sticking to chilling, and moving on. All right, guys. So we have the updates here, the roadmap updates. So let's run through this really quickly. Datalist team worked on new mnemonics, entry component, and some user interface improvements. They also improved the Trezor T pairing issue. I hope they did. Next, we have Adestria team worked on finalizing new transaction workflow, adding token minting and burning. Finally, they continued to work on the Cardano SDK. Networking team continued diagnosing local root peer bug and added connection manager state machine test using iOS IMPOR. I have no idea what that is. Moving on. This week, the dev team deployed node v1.34 to the mainnet. That's actually pretty cool. The decentralization team continued working on block diffusion properties on several protocol enhancements, including chain sync and block fetch protocols. They refined the in-memory backing store sterilization constraints and ran storage tests on blocks with payload on the UTXO. Interesting. The Hydra team worked on support of multiple heads on chain, some node connection properties, and the use of faucets for funds distribution within the head. They also refactored stateful chain level transaction creation and observation, which enables running complex tests on chain. Finally, the team fixed some issues reported by users. And lastly, we have the Goguen team here. Moved Plutus example module from Cardano node to Plutus apps and spent time testing slot numbers lineup between the model and the emulator. They worked on validation benchmark arguments and signature validations. The Marlowe team fixed deadlines in the contract template page of Marlowe run and moved the handling of Marlowe endpoints call to call sites. They updated the contract confirmation dialog and enabled the display of currency symbols for unnamed contracts. So there we go, guys. That are all the updates here for the Cardano roadmap. Pretty awesome. And we're moving on. Ergodex. All right. Since the Cardano launch is right around the corner, indeed it is, we finally decided to give a sneak preview of what they can expect to see. So here is a visual demo of Ergodex. Definitely interesting. It looks really, really good. Let's take a look. So, scrolling down here. This is actually pretty cool. Here's another sneak preview of Ergodex. We're definitely excited for this to be released. Let's go ahead and check the website. I want to see if anything has changed. Definitely looks updated. There's stage 4, the roadmap, Java, order book script, order book UI design, order book development. And they're almost here to stage 6, the stable Ergodex release. Can't wait for that to occur. Ergodex has never been able to work on my computer. I don't know if I have a potato computer. I mean, my graphics card is a GTX 6050, so I mean, I don't think that's that potatoey. So here's Ergodex now. I don't think it works. It doesn't work for me. Never has, but definitely interesting. And finally, guys, we have Pavia here. They have a new podcast. So I just wanted to let you guys know, Pavia has a new podcast on YouTube. Go ahead and check it out. It is definitely pretty interesting. Pavia.io, the first of many Pavia podcasts. Paul LePacher has now been uploaded. Ross and Paul chat about the project and the wider metaverse. So make sure you guys subscribe to Pavia Corp on YouTube here. And go ahead and take a look at the podcast. All right, guys, I love y'all so much. Stay tuned for the live stream later today. I think the live stream will be at 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I can't wait to talk to all you guys there. Love you guys so much. Don't let your dreams be dreams. I will talk to you then. Have a good day.